Hey guys, this is Donny with FMF Racing. We are here with the Rocky Mountain ATVMC crew. We are literally hanging over the edge of the Green River here in Utah. And being from California, coming here and being able to experience this type of off-road riding has just been a dream come true. I love coming up here. You know, we have a great vast desert in California, but you know, the neat thing about Utah is there's so many different elements to this place. And you know, right now we're sitting up on rocks that we'll be riding for miles. We're about 50 miles in on the day. We just came out of the tubes, so we were getting a little wet. And man, what a great day with the FMF crew and joining up with the Rocky Mountain boys. You know, we decided to build a 2020 KTM 500 EXC. It's a brand new bike, whole new platform, new chassis, new engine, and you know, I really wanted to do something that you know, spoke to the off-road crowd with this bike. It is a dual sport, but you know, we love riding off-road. So I called up Rocky Mountain and I said, hey, I want to team up with you and your partners of some of the best off-road companies that really care about off-road riding. And that's kind of how this whole journey started. We built it up, drove it up to Utah, and now we're here putting it through its paces. Just want to say a big thanks to the Rocky Mountain crew for coming out here, for you guys coming out riding with us. Man, it's been such a fun time, and it's always great to meet new people and, you know, coming along for the journey of the off-road compatibility of what these two companies represent.